Hello guys, I'm Ayush Mathur from Intelligent.com, and I got this little speaker from Nokia called Nokia Play 360, and the charging port, the micro USB port here is damaged, and I took it to the Nokia Care. They said to take they said to take it to some local repair shop to make it repaired, but I thought of repairing it by myself. But the main challenge is how to open this thing up. The first thing you can see is here the screw here. Opening up will take you to the battery compartment, but not to the actual compartment of the speaker. So let's open this thing up. I'm unscrewing with the normal screwdriver. So here's the thing. Oops. So this is the battery compartment, as you can see. So here is the battery, the BL5C normal mobile battery. Let's keep it aside. So from now here you can see there is no place to open this thing up, nor we can just open this thing up. So I found on the internet that we need to remove this rubber cushion. So here is this nice little rubber cushion, and here you can see the 4 ports to unscrew the main circuit compartment. So let's do this. Come on, where is it? This one is a bit tight. Okay, here we go. The main problem here is that this rubber cushion has been glued with some adhesive. Now I will have to find out how to replace this thing, because it will not be the same strength. So we have unscrewed the main circuit compartment. So let's open this thing up. Whoa, this is magic inside. See, that's some really awesome speaker, and that rainbow colored wire is of NFC, and here is the compartment to pass the air. The arrangement inside is quite like really branded thing, because I have opened a lot of speakers, local speakers, but nothing, I've never seen something like this before. Oops. Okay, it's like, so we can just put this thing here. You can see this is the circuit for the connect button. Might be possible, no, this is just a button here, and here I guess is the main circuit board and Bluetooth and other types of things, memory and other things. And here it is the point which I need to open up to change this micro USB port. You can see, come on. So now let's unscrew the button portion. Let me put this thing back on so that the adhesive don't get damaged, and I can use it second time also. Now let's open it up. here is the button. As you can see, this one is for the button, this is the micro USB port, and this is the 3.5 mm jack, and this is the cover. Oops. So you can see everything is supported with some foam kind of thing, very soft, just to make sure when the speaker booms up it doesn't make some other materialistic sounds. So the construction is quite professional and very like what I can say, beautiful. Now to repair this I need to get that circuit board out. So let's open the passage for the air. I'm opening it for the first time. And the last screw here. So here we go. Oops, why is it not coming out? Oh, here it is. So you can see this came out, and this is the passage for the air. Let's put this aside, and here is the main circuit board, which I need to get it out. First let's disconnect this port, or maybe later. This is very much tight. I need to get some other screw to unscrew this. So uh, this is basically how you can open the Nokia Play 360 or any other Nokia accessory related to speakers of almost same structure. So thanks for watching.